Have you ever seen a math problem like this? 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6? It looks simple, but it's designed to trick you. Let's look at the common mistake first. The instinct for many is to solve straight from left to right. They think 6 minus 6 is 0, 0 times 6 is 0, and 0 minus 6 is negative 6. This seems logical, but it is incorrect. Let's find out why and then solve it the right way using the PEMDAS rule. First, a quick refresher. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. The crucial thing to remember is that multiplication and division must always be handled before addition and subtraction. Our problem is 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. There are no parentheses or exponents, so we must look for multiplication or division first. Scanning the problem, we see a multiplication sign. This is our priority. Let's begin the correct way. Step 1. Handle the multiplication. 6 times 6 is 36. So now our problem becomes 6 minus 36 minus 6. Step 2. Now we only have subtraction. Remember, addition and subtraction are done from left to right. So we start with the first subtraction. 6 minus 36 equals negative 30. Step 3. Now we take that result and finish the final operation. Negative 30 minus 6 equals negative 36. So the correct answer is not negative 6, but negative 36. The key takeaway is simple. Always do multiplication before subtraction. If you remember this one rule, you'll avoid this common pitfall. If this clear explanation helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments what other tricky math problems we should break down next. Thanks for watching.